Hey friends, if you wish to change the color theme on the Chrome browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Interestingly, this color theme that we have right now, which I have changed earlier, is not a part of settings only, it is a part of a profile. So if you were to add a new profile or let's say change the profile, the color theme would be gone. I'll show you. I'll just add a new profile and the color theme would be gone. Okay, so to change it, click on the profile picture here and then the pencil like symbol in the right, and then you can change the color here. Okay, and now we will see what happens when you go to google.com. You see the profile, I mean, the theme has changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.